Rise up, start fresh, see the bright opportunity in each day. Good morning, my dear kids. You are amazing just the way you are. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and enjoying your visual learning. When you enter this room, learning is fun and cooperation is expected. Our positive attitude and mutual respect are part of everything we do and say. Welcome back to the GK class. Kids, we will be starting with a new chapter, that is, Become a Master Chef and Earning Money. Master means extremely skilled at particular activity, and chef means a person who can cook. Kids, you all must be craving to eat yummy, tasty and mouth-watering street foods like pani puri, pizza, sandwich, etc. So today we are going to learn how to make sandwich. So let's start. Take a packet of bread. You can take wheat bread or white bread. Start applying butter on it. After applying butter, apply green chutney on it. Start arranging vegetables on it. Firstly, place 2 to 3 boiled potato slices. Next, place 2 to 3 tomato slices. Now kids, place 3 to 4 cucumber slices. Place 2 to 3 onion slices. Last, place 2 to 3 beetroot slices. Sprinkle a pinch of black salt or regular salt and chaat masala. After sprinkling, cover with the bread slice on which we have spread the butter and chutney. Slice to get 4 sandwich pieces. If you use a larger bread, you can slice to 6 pieces. Immediately with some extra chutney and tomato ketchup, you can also sprinkle some nylon safe while serving sandwich. And kids, here your yummy sandwich is ready. Now students, we will move on to our next chapter, that is earning money. If we want to earn money, we have to spend our time and energy. In other words, if you work for an hour, you will get money for an hour. It doesn't matter whether you are being paid by the hour or you receive a monthly salary. You are still paid by someone else in exchange of your time and energy. Kids, there are different professions to earn money like dancing, teaching, painting, cooking, pilot, etc. Kids, let us look how these professions become source of income. Dancing. Dancers do the stage show and earn money, but choreographers teach actors, actresses and dancers to dance as we all see in the film. So, this is the one source of income. Teaching. To make children learn for being unique and different from others. For their skills and intelligence, teachers are paid. So, teaching can also be the best part of earning income. Painting. Drawing, painting, crafting, and woodworking are the source of income. You can sell them and earn money. Pilot. A person who operates the flying controls of an aircraft is being paid according to the number of hours he or she worked. So, another source of earning money is to become pilot. Cooking. Kids, today's example of making sandwich is source of income for sandwich trader. In return, he will be paid. So students, there are many different professions through which one can earn money. Kids, I hope you all understood today's topic. Thank you. Bye. Every day is the new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile and start again. Good morning, my lovely kids. Failure is the opportunity to begin again. How are you all? Welcome back to the GK lecture. Kids, today we will start with our new chapter, that is Carnivorous Herbivorous, and Meet the Monkeys. Students, do you all know what is meant by carnivorous and herbivorous? Carnivorous are the animals who eat flesh, meat and bones of other animals. Flesh means the soft part of a human body or animal body between the bones and under the skin. Herbivorous means who eat grass, leaves, fruits and seeds of plants. Now kids, we will see some examples of carnivorous animals. Raccoon. Raccoon is a carnivorous animal. Raccoon eats snakes, eggs, frogs, turtles, insects and earthworms. Brown bear. Brown bear eats fruits, insects, roots, but if it is hungry, it can hunt small animal and fish like salmon. Fox. Fox eat mammals, birds, beetle and fruit. Beetle means insect. Kids, let us see some examples of herbivorous animals. Koala. They eat eucalyptus leaves. They can eat more than a pound of eucalyptus leaves a day. Deer. Deer eat grass, bark, twigs, berries, fruits, nuts and bushes. Kangaroo. Kangaroo eat grasses, flowers, leaves, insects. Like cows, kangaroos ruminate their food and retrieve it before it is ready to be totally digested. Ruminate means to bring back food into the mouth from the stomach to chew it again. Zebra. They include leaves, twigs, herbs and shrubs in their diet. Panda. They are made to eat meat, but they prefer a veg diet. Gorilla. Gorilla eats stem, bamboo and fruits. Gorilla also eat termites and ants. Animals are classified into 3 groups according to their eating habits. They are carnivorous, herbivorous and omnivorous. We have studied about carnivorous and herbivorous, and now we will study about omnivorous. An omnivorous animal has the ability to eat and survive on both plants and animals. They obtain energy and nutrients from both plants and animals. An omnivorous animal can digest carbohydrates, protein, fats, and fiber. Let us go through some examples of omnivorous animals. Dog. Dog eat fish, vegetables, and raw meat. Pig. Pig can eat all kinds of leftover food. Pig can also eat bread, vegetables, and meat. Monkey. They eat meat and plant-based foods. They eat meat in the form of bird's egg, insects, spider, etc. Kids, we will learn spellings of carnivorous, herbivorous, and omnivorous animals. Raccoon. RACCOON. Brown bear. BROWN. Brown. BEAR. Bear. FOX. Fox. Koala. 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 Deer. 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 Kangaroo. KANGAROO. Zebra. ZEBRA. Panda. 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 Gorilla. 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 Dog. 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 Pig. 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 Monkey. 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 Now children, we will start with our next chapter, that is Meet the Monkeys. There are different species of monkeys in the world. They are intelligent creatures and are able to use their mind to solve problems. They use sticks or stones to collect food, drink water, and protect themselves. Kids, here are some interesting monkey names. Let's learn about it. Rhesus macaque. Rhesus macaque's family members are either brown or grey in color and have a pink face with no fur. You can find them in almost all the jungles of India. Squirrel monkey. Squirrel monkeys live in the forests of Central and South America. Their family is huge and has up to 500 members. Their movements are as fast as squirrel. Orangutan. An orangutan means person of the forest. They have long arms. When they stand, they touch the ground. They live in the Asian forest. Saki monkey. They have thick black fur on their body and a long bushy tail. They have very strong legs and are very good at long jumps from tree to tree. Chimpanzee. They live in the forest of Africa. They have senses very similar to humans, including sight, smell, taste, and touch. Yellow baboon. Yellow baboon have slim body with long arms and legs. They have yellowish brown hair. The average lifespan of the yellow baboon is 15 to 20 years. Some may live up to 30 years. Dusky leaf monkey. The dusky leaf monkey is a lovely little monkey with a unique appearance. It has dark grey fur. The monkey has a white color circle around its mouth. The average lifespan of dusky leaf monkey is 25 years. Rhesus macaque. R-H-E-S-U-S Rhesus M-A-C-A-Q-E macaque. Rhesus macaque. Squirrel monkey. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L squirrel. M-O-N-K-E-Y monkey. Orangutan. O-R-A-N-G-U-T-A-N orangutan. Saki monkey. S-A-K-I-M-O-N-K-E-Y Saki monkey. Chimpanzee. C-H-I-M-P-A-N-Z-E-E chimpanzee. Yellow baboon. Y-E-L-L-O-W yellow. B-A-B-O-O-N baboon. Dusky leaf monkey. D-U-S-K-Y dusky. L-E-A-F leaf. M-O-N-K-E-Y dusky leaf monkey. That's all for the day. Thank you, kids. Bye. Hello, my dear kids. Good morning to the brave lions of Gurukul English Medium School. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. Welcome back to the GK class. Students, we will start with a new chapter, that is Catch the Cats and Dog Breeds. First, we will start with the chapter Catch the Cats. Children, all of us have seen cats, but do you know about the cat family? In cat family, the members differ in shape, size, color and habitat, but look cat-like. Habitat means the natural home of a plant or an animal. The cat family is also called Felidae. A member of this family is called Felid. Felidae means biological family of cats. All the members of this family are carnivorous. That is, they eat meat to survive. They eat a lot of meat to fulfill their high protein requirement. Some of them have the ability to roar. Kids, let us see some examples of cat family. Lion. Lion is the tallest member of the cat family. Lion is the king of jungle. The lion's roar is the loudest amongst all the others roaring cats. Actual lifespan of lion is 12 to 16 years. Caracal. The caracal is a medium-sized wild cat native to Africa. It is robust with long legs, a short face, long ears and long canine teeth. Robust means strong and healthy. Canine means one of the 4 pointed teeth in front of the animal's mouth. Tiger. Tigers are very good swimmers. The stripes on the tiger's body are of different patterns, like human fingerprints. None of the patterns match. Saber-toothed tiger. This is saber-toothed tiger. These tigers were there on earth thousands of years ago. This extinct species were one of the earliest found big cats. Lynx. The lynx is a small cat. Lynx have short tails and usually some hairs on the ears. They have large paws, padded for walking on snow, and large whiskers on face. Paws means feet. Whiskers means one of the long hairs that grow near the mouth of some animals. The color of the body is from light brown to grey and is sometimes marked with dark brown spots, especially on the legs. They can climb trees and swim too. Leopard. The leopards can climb trees carrying prey twice their weight. Compared to other wild cats, the leopard has relatively short legs and a long body with a large skull. Cheetah. Cheetah do not roar like the other big cats. The cheetah is the world's fastest animal. It can run at the speed of 110 to 120 kilometers per hour. Kids, now let us learn the spellings of cat family. Lion, lion. Caracal, caracal. Tiger, tiger. Sabre, saber. Toothed, tooth. Tiger, Tiger. Saber-tooth tiger. Lynx, Lynx. Leopard, Leopard. Cheetah, Cheetah, cheetah. Kids, let us start with the next chapter, that is dog breeds. Dogs are men's best friends. Dogs vary widely in shape, size, color. They can perform many roles for humans such as hunting, pulling loads, protection, assisting police, and in military. This influence on human society has given dogs the title of men's best friend. Let us go through some dog breeds. Boxer. The boxer is a medium to large, short-haired breed of dogs developed in Germany. Boxer has broad, short skull and very strong jaws. Lifespan of boxer is 9 to 15 years. Dalmatian. The Dalmatian is a breed of large-sized dog noted for its unique white coat marked with black or liver-colored spots and used mainly as a carriage dog in its early days. Lifespan of Dalmatian is 10 to 18 years. Pug. The Pug is a breed of dog with physically distinctive features of a wrinkly short-muzzled face and curled tail. The breed has a fine glossy coat that comes in a variety of colors and a compact square body with well-developed muscles. Lifespan of Pug is 12 to 15 years. Bulldog. The Bulldog is a medium-sized dog breed. It is a muscular, hefty dog with a wrinkled face and a distinctive pushed-in nose. Lifespan of Bulldog is 8 to 12 years. Hefty means large and heavy. Poodle. The poodle is the dog breed that comes in 3 varieties, that is standard poodle, miniature poodle and toy poodle. The exact origin of the poodle dog is unknown. Some say they are originated in France and others say they come from Germany. Standard poodle. The standard poodle dog breed is the oldest of the 3 poodle sizes, with the miniature and toy varieties developed later. Lifespan of standard poodle is 12 to 15 years. Miniature poodle. Some miniature poodles are quite friendly, but most are little unfriendly with strangers. Lifespan of miniature poodle is 12 to 15 years. Toy poodle. The toy poodle is the smallest version of the poodle breed. Toy poodles are an intelligent, active and social breed that require regular exercise and grooming. Lifespan of toy poodle is 12 to 15 years. Chihuahua. The Chihuahua is the smallest breed of dog and is named after the Mexican state of Chihuahua. Chihuahua occurs in virtually any color combination. Lifespan of Chihuahua is 12 to 20 years. Children, let us learn the spellings of dog breeds. Boxer. B-O-X-E-R. Boxer. Dalmatian. D-A-L-M-A-T-I-A-N. Dalmatian. Pug. P-U-G. Pug. Bulldog. B-U-L-L. Bull. D-O-G. Dog. Bulldog. Poodle. P-O-O-D-L-E. Poodle. Standard poodle. S-T-A-N-D-A-R-D. Standard. P-O-O-D-L-E. Standard poodle. Miniature poodle. M-I-N-I-A-T-U-R-E. Miniature. P-O-O-D-L-E. Poodle. Toy poodle. T-O-Y. Toy. P-O-O-D-L-E. Poodle. Chihuahua. C-H-I-H-U-A-H-U-A. Kids, I hope you all understood both the chapters very well. Thank you, kids. Bye.